guys, I'm here with, you know Jacob. Of course, you probably know Super Nurse, mom behind the camera. So, yeah.
I ain't turning. Bye. Hi.
That's her behind there. Yeah. Candy Club. If you've probably seen the failed video compilation, you know we tried this once. My phone died. That's the whole premises of the failed video compilation. Anywho, Candy Club. I need a sponsor. Why don't you hook me up? Anyway though, yeah, let's get this open. We skipped one. That one was also good. The one we tried to do a video for is good. Let's see if this can do a hat trick.
Let's hope there's chocolate in this one.
You can't have chocolate.
I know, but I can.
I can.
Yeah.
Alright.
Move the box so I can see what's inside.
Coming up cozy.
Ooh, saltwater taffy.
Ew.
Yummy.
Ew.
Yeah.
Ew.
Looks like there's some black licorice stuff too.
Guess what? You got your chocolate wish.
Oh, what is it? Multibals?
You got another chocolate wish.
Well, what are they?
Dark chocolate mint caramels.
That's this one, or is that the?
That's this one.
Oh, this is the caramel.
Oh wait, no, that isn't chocolate. Give me this back.
This is the chocolate caramels.
That's the chocolate caramels right there.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
Yeah. Open!
What are those?
Gummy penguins.
Gummy penguins.
Peachy penguin gummies.
They look like black licorice gummies.
They're not, trust me.
Show them what the penguins look like.
Okay, so they do look like...
Oh, they're cute penguins.
Kinda. Let's see how they taste. Okay, for this being cold,
Yeah?
very chewy, very peachy.
Oh, so they're peachy.
But,
Okay.
I mean, it's in the name, peachy penguin gummies.
Well, open up the chocolates.
It's caramel. Maybe mom behind the camera can try it. Behind the camera.
Well, I'll show them what a piece looks like.
Yeah, I'm not trying it. You'll be the one that taste tested. I hate caramel. Don't take that out in context. I just hate caramel. Show them that.
Oh, they look good. Hold on.
Yeah. Mom behind the camera will let you know if they're good or not.
Hard caramel. You gotta suck on it.
Well,
It's not gooey.
It's been sitting out in the cold for 24 hours, so you know.
Yeah, but it's hard. Okay.
Alright.
What are those? They taste great though.
Maple nut clusters.
Oh, I like those too.
Yeah, you want to be the one to try it? No?
Oh, they're peanut cluster. Oh, they look good.
Yeah, they're toasted peanuts.
Mm-hmm.
One small step for Chris. One giant leap for the Honey Clan kind.
Mm-hmm.
Peanut knee.
Mm-hmm.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Try it.
Is that good, Jacob?
Candy sunflower seeds.
Oh, those are good too.
Milk chocolate coated sunflower seeds.
We got all chocolate this one.
I know. Well, it's called Cozy Up Comfy. Again, Candy Club. I have no sponsor if you want to help me. Oh, now you don't want to be in the video anymore, bud?
Yeah.
I was gonna give you this this off-market M&M. Look at this now.
It's a sunflower seed dipped
I
in
know,
chocolate.
but it's like an off-market M&M.
Yeah, try it. It's supposed to be really good.
Why don't you try one?
Yeah, I could eat those all day long.
Well, congratulations. Mom behind the camera won something.
Nope, I got it.
Yeah, we also got saltwater salmon.
I know. Those are good.
I don't care for them.
We'll put them in a candy dish.
Let's see. The next thing of mine that's going to go in my bedroom after this. Red raspberry jelly pretzels.
Oh, gummies. Well, they look cute. Okay.
They do.
Are they sour or are they sweet?
They're hard to show.
Well, because they're cold.
Everything else we were talking about.
Hmm?
That shows everything else we were talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Unless, certainly not least. Nope. Head down the box. For reasons. Mini gummy butterflies.
Oh, you got gummy butterflies?
Gummy butterflies. And for that pretzel, that is a little bit sour. I will say that right now.
Okay. Are they mini?
Let me read it again just to make sure. Maybe we can put it on the camera. I don't know. What does that say? Mini gummy butterflies?
Okay. Assorted mini gummy butterflies.
My bad. Assorted mini gummy butterflies. Anyway, though, here's what they look like.
Oh, they're cute. Okay.
So I'm still finishing the pretzel. I love how we brought Jacob in the video and he didn't even want to stay.
Nope, he had his piece of candy and he was done.
Fair enough. That's all he wanted.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, I just gotta say, gotta take this for further testing.
Mm-hmm.
That's about it. See you, Honey Clan.